Let's make a resin crescent moon. So here we are, layer one. I'm going in with some gorgeous decadance glitter mixed with clear resin, just filling my mold up halfway full. Went in with 2 ounces on that first layer. Gonna go in with my heat gun to pop bubbles, let it dry overnight. Here we are the next day, gonna go in and do layer number 2. For layer number 2, same thing, 2 ounces of resin, filling the mold up the rest of the way, and I'm gonna be using a dark blue mica powder for that layer. I'm going to go in with my heat gun to pop bubbles again, and that's going to be it. We're going to be ready to demold it 24 hours after that layer's all dry. Here we are, ready to demold it. Turned out so pretty. This moon has a floral design etched into the mold. So we're going to go in and fill that in with some acrylic paint. I took some wet acrylic paint and just painted the entire surface of the moon. Made sure that I really got into those engraved areas, really scrubbed the paint in with my paintbrush. Now we're going to go in with a squeegee and remove the excess paint. You can see it doesn't come off 100% clean. That's okay. Don't worry. Don't mess with it anymore after this. Just let it dry. So you can let it dry anywhere from like 2 to 24 hours. I let it dry for 24 hours. The next day I went in with some 91% isopropyl alcohol in a paper towel and just cleaned off the surface of the moon. You can see that the paint comes off really easily, comes right off the surface of the moon, but it stays in those etched areas. So you want to make sure that you let that paint dry before you go in with the 91% isopropyl alcohol. Here we are going to go do a clear resin top coat now. We need to seal in that paint that we added. So I'm going to go in with 2 ounces of clear resin, just pour it right on top of my moon, and off camera I did paint the back of my moon with Elmer's school glue. That's going to act as kind of like my tape to prevent resin drips bonding to the back of my piece while we do the top coat. So you could use Elmer's school glue, liquid latex, tape, whatever you want to use. I have a full tutorial showing how to use the tape. If you want to go check it out, I'll link it down below in the description box. Just smoothed all that resin out with my gloved hand, making sure I got a nice amount of coverage on the top and the sides. Hit it with my heat gun to pop bubbles, and that's it. Let the top coat dry, then you'll be ready to peel the glue off the back. We got the glue all peeled off. You can see it works so well to prevent those resin drips, all those resin drips from the top coat, and the glue peeled right off. I attached a little eye screw to the top of the moon and some glass crystal beads for hanging, and here's how it turned out. Super sparkly and beautiful. Let me know what you think. This is just a super fast sped up video. I'll link the full, more in-depth 8-minute video down below in the description box if you want to go check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and definitely go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. And I do have a few of these listed in my Etsy shop for sale if you wanted to purchase one. I'll link my Etsy shop down below as well. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye guys.